In primetime news this evening, traffic fines or bribes, police and motorists trade accusations.
Authorities captured 2 of 3 monkeys on the loose.
And later, politician apologizes for derogatory remarks but denies being author of social media posts. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, for some time now, we've been hearing about the Harmony Cove Resort in Trelawney. And guess what? Construction is set to begin soon. That and more in the Business Day.
And what did Andrea say about Spencer Darlington's suit this evening?
No,
she said something about Spencer's suit as well.
You
will have to stick around at the end to find out. Spencer, in the meantime, what's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, over the weekend, a national long jumper said he had not received any congratulatory emails or messages from the Jamaican authorities following his Olympic success. We now have information to the contrary. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
The suit comment was actually for Romain.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was for Romain, who is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, guys. We're expecting much of the same for the remainder of this week. Those weaker winds that have been across the Caribbean are expected to increase the cloudiness in the afternoons across Jamaica and most of the Central Caribbean as well. So we could be seeing more shower activity across the area.
That's great news.
Yes, but Romain does not want that revealed. So you have to stick around to the end of Primetime News because I am going to be telling you.
He is not going to say anything.
In the meantime, our feedback question this evening is, what are your thoughts on how politicians use social media?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us in News in Detail right after the break.